Haha, brothers, welcome. How are we here to serve you? What are we excited about? I'm excited about this journey you've chosen to be on. I'm excited about the fact that you've chosen yourself. I'm excited about serving you, seeing you in ways you cannot see yourself. This program, this membership, this blueprint is a way to access parts of you that you haven't been able to access before. This journey is going to show you more about yourself than perhaps you've ever known. Why? Because we, as a whole, as an organization, as a movement, making impact in this world together, because we can't do it in silos, we cannot do it by ourselves. We are going to open our hearts, open our bodies, open our minds, and see each other and ourselves in ways we never have before. I'm excited about growth and expansion. I'm excited about the possibility of you being different in your relationships. Perhaps you are a reactive man. When your partner comes to you and she says, hey, I need this, you may take it personally, become hyper defensive, make it about you. It's your fault. You're not good enough, because that reminds you of something that you experienced when you were younger. And then all of a sudden you're in this unconscious entanglement with your partner. I'm excited for you to see beyond that, to go beyond that, to evolve your relationships. I'm excited to see you grow out of discomfort into comfort and repeat that cycle in healthy, deliberate ways. What do I mean by that? Too many of us remain in the realm of what's comfortable, whether we like it or not, whether we align with it or not. When we become uncomfortable, purposely, deliberately uncomfortable, we grow. We are able to do the things that we've been envisioning for years, the dreams that we've had. We're able to fulfill our purpose. Now, I do that for purpose because it's a layered, complex way of relating to the world and being in the world. We're going to help you refine that. I'm excited about the connections you are going to make here at MPB. I'm excited about the way you're going to choose differently to get out of your comfort zone and move into radical acceptance of self. I'm excited for you to release the baggage, the trauma, the pain, the past limiting beliefs that you hold about yourself, the potential rigidity in your mind, your belief that you're not enough, that you must do more to prove yourself. And I'm excited for you to stop doing the things that don't really serve you, that are perpetuating a limiting perception of self. I'm excited for you to step into a new version of yourself with new successes in the world, whether it be financial abundance, prosperity, love, intimacy, greater depth in your sexuality, self-worth, your relationship to your children, to your unborn children, your relationship to your parents. I'm excited for you to shed the layers. And what we are here to do for you is to provide you a